Within 1 year your shaver heads cut 4.5 million hairs on your face. Replace the shaver heads and get back to 100% performance. Genuine nanotech precision shaving heads made in the Netherlands. Blades designed with extra strong, surgical sharp edges for the ultimate closeness, requiring fewer shaving passes. Skin comfort rings coated with metallic pigments for superb gliding and reduced friction. For maximum shaving performance, it is recommended to replace your shaving head once every 12 months. Full bracket design for simple and easy 2-step replacement. Bright chrome finish matches shaver SP9820. Philips Norelco Shaving Head for Shaver Series 9000 Prestige, SH98 80 seconds. Top reviews from the United States. Makes my shaver brand new. I bought a top-of-the-line Norelco shaver several years ago. About once a year I replace the heads with genuine Norelco replacement heads. I've tried aftermarket heads and the quality is nowhere near as good as these. They're much sharper and they last longer, so they're worth the additional expense.